Did you know there is a CMS that powers government, institutions, and universities and large enterprises? And you probably never heard about it. Today, guys, we'll be talking about TYPO3 and why you should learn it in 2025. Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're into web development or like exploring new PHP frameworks, then hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let's get started, guys. So what is TYPO3, guys? So TYPO3 is an open source content management system. It is used largely in enterprises and in building complex solutions. You can think of it like WordPress or Drupal, but it is way more customizable and it offers complex solutions out of the box. It was originally created in 1998 in PHP, and yeah, it offers like many solutions out of the box. So why learn TYPO3? TYPO3 is used in large enterprises and university, and if you're looking to get into building like large projects, then TYPO3 may be the right framework for you. It is in high demand in certain niches and in certain regions. So, for example, guys, TYPO3 is really popular in German speaking countries like Austria, Switzerland, and Germany. And if you're a skilled developer, this is a very interesting tool to add to your toolkit. So, it is really less competitive than other frameworks. So, if you let's do a small test. So, if you go to LinkedIn and check for the last TYPO3 job posting, you will see probably between 10 and 15 people applied to it, in comparison to WordPress job postings, which you may see like more than 100 people applying to that position. TYPO3 was designed with international business in mind. It is very easy to localize, to translate the content on your website. You don't need to install any third-party plugins to do that. You simply get a solution out of the box. It is really easy, guys, to do such things in TYPO3. You also can configure your project to be available for multi-site, so you can like have multiple sites that depend on the same project, which would save you a lot of time when developing multiple projects that have the same base. Let's look into the community, guys. So the community may be a little bit smaller compared to other communities, but it offers a really supportive community. So if you go on Slack, guys, for example, I'll leave the link in the description. You will find around 12,000 members, but whenever you ask a question, the community is really helpful. So think of it like this. I would use WordPress for small websites like portfolio blogs, and when building like scalable solutions and like larger projects, I would always go for TYPO3. So guys, to wrap everything up, so if you're looking into web development and serious about web development and want to work on bigger and more complex project, TYPO3 may be the right choice for you guys. It may not be the loudest CMS in the room, but it's one of the strongest, guys. So just test it out, and it may be a little bit complex at the beginning. You may not like directly find things when searching in Google, but once you get the hang of it, you will never use another CMS framework. Trust me, guys. So guys, check out this video if you're interested about learning. I've made a full beginner tutorial, and see you next time. Bye bye.